Hey everyone, it's Bud, and I'm back with another stuff. Today is Tuesday, March 15th, and it's the afternoon time, roughly 3:45 p.m. Central Time. I hope you guys are doing well. Woo! All right, guys, I'm excited to talk to you guys. I haven't made a video in a while. Yesterday I was feeling very ill. I just was not feeling very good at all, so I just needed some time off, and even this morning I still really wasn't feeling well, and so hopefully I'm going to be able to get to 100% very soon. I'm feeling well enough to make a video now, though. I'm feeling pretty good, okay? Feeling all right. Um, I'm excited to talk to you guys today, okay? So the topic today is when will the Veve collectible prices go up? Um, we had this time where the collectibles were absolutely pumping, and then now we've been in kind of a prolonged bear market here. We've been going on several months now where it feels like prices are just going down. Prices are just going down constantly. Like they're just constantly going down, right? Um, this morning, yesterday, I was looking at the Woody and the Lightning McQueen and all that, and I look at it just now, and it's like it's come down a little bit since I was looking at it. So um, I want to talk about that. So the thing is that if you guys want my opinion, all right, I'm gonna get into some opinion stuff here. I think that the VV NFTs are not going anywhere until the crypto market does something first. And we've already talked about this before, but it needs to be said that I don't think the VV NFTs are going anywhere as a whole until Bitcoin goes up, right? I don't think so. Um, a lot of times all of these different kind of assets and asset classes are related, even if they don't seem that way. Um, and to give you another example, I mean, even Pokemon cards, you know, they don't doesn't make much sense for them to be really correlated to much, but they are still. They're still correlated with all sorts of stuff, the stock market and all that. Not exactly, and not it's not as obvious, but they are. And I think that VV is still related to the crypto market. For instance, like I think that there's a lot of other NFT projects out there that you can only buy with Ethereum, and those ones only get action when crypto is getting going up. And our NFTs kind of follow the same trajectory. Quite honest with you guys, they do go up, but only usually when the markets are going up. So um, generally, I think that we're going to probably you can kind of just play it by ear right now. I mean, ultimately, you dang near don't even need to look at the VV app, you know what I mean? As far as I'm concerned. Um, because there's a lot of other indicators that'll tell you if we're starting to go somewhere. Um, you know, with that being said, I just want to let everybody know I could be completely wrong, guys. I'm just a random guy. So, you know, there's probably some people that'll just straight up disagree with me, and that's definitely possible. I could be totally wrong, but that's what I think. That's where I think we're at right now. Is I think that we and a lot of the world is kind of waiting on crypto um, to kind of have its next movement along with the stocks and all that. Um, so with that being said, I don't know much. I mean, like, I don't know all the forces at play when it comes to crypto, but I know that there's some pretty big news coming up. Tomorrow, there's a announcement about the Fed rate hike, and that will have some kind of effect on crypto, whether it's positive or negative. I don't really know, but could be good, could be bad. We'll see. Um, and there's all these little mini kind of catalysts that are kind of going to happen between here and you know 3 months from now, right? There's always these little mini catalysts and stuff. So hopefully we get a couple to go in our way, and hopefully that'll benefit everybody. So that's what I kind of think about it. Um, Nothing groundbreaking here, guys, but I do feel like we will need to wait for VV to move, for the price of the collectibles to move until Bitcoin goes up. That's just my guess, though. But yeah, so I feel like that's probably the case. Like I said, I could be wrong. Let's go ahead and pop into some normie stuff here, guys. I'll have the spreadsheet link down below. Shout out to Momies over here on Reddit. We got uh, RECC. We've got Possession Smooth. We've got Mr. Sack. We've got Mental Account. We've got Ordinary Anything. We've got the Palace. Shout out to the Palace homies. Let's go. We got Borg Nine Teeth. And Granola Warfare, my homie Granola. Shout out to my homie Granola. Let's go. Apparently got Spider-Woman comic coming out here. I'm assuming. So we'll cover that in the future, guys. No need to rush it. But we also do have Omi's price trading at 0.003357. Omi can be your Omi. I'm not going to be your daddy, and nothing in this video is financial advice. You guys already know that. I feel the same way about the Omi token too. All of this stuff is related. I think the Omi token, maybe collectibles, Bitcoin. Um, that's just my guess. I mean, you know, they're not exactly related. It's not one to one. If Bitcoin goes up $1, the collectibles go up $1. No, that's not how it works. Same thing with Omi, but I think they are related, and I do think that they will all move together. That's just my take on it, guys. Um, so that puts us at about 5 minutes. So let's just quickly talk about what would be an appropriate strategy if that's the case. Okay, right now, there's a lot of strategies out there, and a lot of people will have a lot of different opinions. Right now, if you guys want my opinion, like one strategy that seems like it would probably be pretty smart right now is to just basically tell yourself, okay, I'm going to buy X number of gems every 2 weeks and just not even buy the collectibles. If you start to feel that the market turns, spend your gems on collectibles and ride them to the top. Um, this is just a gut instinct, and nobody has to do anything I say, of course, but I think that that might be a pretty good strategy. We are already pretty low, so to say that they're going to go down more, you know, it's not exactly obvious that they will, but it seems like a smart play. Just basically put grab $20 of gems every 2 weeks or 40, and just literally let the gems sit there, let the gems sit there, let the gems sit there. If you feel like the market's starting to turn around, you can maybe go in and grab a piece, and take advantage. But I'm just throwing it out there. That seems like a pretty solid strategy for me right now. For me right now, I don't really have a strategy. I'm just buying what I like as I always do, and I've already got the money on the app, so I can kind of just move pieces around to get what I really truly want. So right now, I'm not too focused on actually like investing in there, but um, that is kind of what I'm doing with cryptocurrency, I guess you could say. This morning I woke up, I got paid this morning, and I just woke up and I just bought some cryptos, just some of my favorites, like I always do right now. Crypto.com, as I said before. Bought a little bit, not a ton. I didn't break the bank. I didn't go crazy. I just bought a nice, solid, consistent amount. And based on what the price does, I may buy more, and we'll see. And so that might not be a bad strategy for the Veve app, just with the gems instead of buying like crypto, I guess you could say. So, and then just keeping the gems on the sideline. If I would have told you that, 3 months ago, that would have been a very good technique. But, um, you know, who am I? I'm just a random guy, you know. So, I think that's pretty much it, everybody. I hope you guys have a fantastic night. I'm going to be relaxing. I've got some Coca-Cola here on the sideline. I'm going to make some French fries, and I'm going to go ahead and get some relaxation in. I hope you guys have a fantastic evening. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.